Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today we will see how to upload a project on GitHub. First of all, open github.com in your computer web browser and log into your account. Once you are in GitHub, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select your repositories from the menu. You will see a green New button at the top right side of the repositories page. Click on this green New button. A new page will open to create a new repository for your project. Enter your project name in the text field under repository name. Under the description section, write what your project is about. Now you will see a section for your project visibility. Choose to make the project public or private. Click the checkmark box to add a README file. Lastly, scroll down to the bottom and click Create Repository. GitHub will redirect you to the newly created repository. Now click on the Add File button and then select Upload Files from the drop-down. Here you need to upload your project files and folders. Drag and drop your project folders and files from your local computer. Alternatively, you can also click the Choose Your Files button and select the files manually. Your project will start uploading. It may take some time if it has a large number of files. Once uploaded, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Commit Changes. You have successfully uploaded your project to your GitHub account. You can edit your project description by clicking on the pencil icon. By following these simple steps, you can successfully upload your project to GitHub and share with others